Jason, come on. Why? It's ruined. I worked.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, but come on. Look at this. I worked really hard on this.
So you're telling me you actually cooked all
No,
this?
no, I didn't. I actually called the restaurant and told the chef exactly how you like your pasta.
I appreciate what you've done. And how often do we get to be kissing in the rain?
Yeah. Heart was amazing. But you know, I wanted this evening to be perfect, and I wanted to be kind of magical. It's just you and me. I am a first one.